For today's warm-up problems and also the concepts you need to know for module number 4 are solving a regular equation where you need to distribute, combine like terms, and then do a variables on both sides equation process. Solving literal equations with more than one variable, so making sure you solve for the variable you're looking for, getting rid of any terms by adding or subtracting, and then doing any multiplying or dividing steps last. So here we go. So you can see in that first one, first step I distributed that step in red, took that negative 5 times x is negative 5x, negative 5 times negative 2 is positive 10. Then I combined like terms there in blue, that 2x and that negative 5x combined to give me negative 3x. Then I started my variables on both sides process in green. Started on the left by getting rid of the plain number, going to the right, getting rid of the variable, and then going back to the left and doing my division. If I took that x is 3 and plugged it in for x into that original equation, it would make that work. Now I'm going to solve my literal equations. So that second one, solving the equation for y. First thing, get rid of that 4x term next to it by adding or subtracting. Got rid of that. Could not combine 10 and negative 4x. Those are unlike terms, so I wrote them next to each other with the x term first. And then my last step was to divide everything by 2 and then do the fraction split. Took that negative 4x divided by its own little 2 and then that 10 divided by its own little 2 to get that final answer, y equals negative 2x plus 5. And then that last one, first step, I made sure I was solving for x. Got rid of that 2y term by adding it. I could not combine 8 and 2y. I could have wrote 2y first, but since this one isn't really slope-intercept form, which is y by itself, it didn't really matter which order I put it. I then multiplied both sides by 5. I had to distribute on the right side, taking that 5 times 8, which is 40. 5 times 2y is 10y. And then my last step, dividing everything by 2 and splitting that fraction up, taking that 40 divided by its own little 2, and then 10y divided by its own little 2. So that final answer for x is x equals 20 plus 5y, or 5y plus 20. As soon as you're done with this, turn this in. Thank you. Or show. Thank you.